Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a partner account with Dailymotion, how to set up an account, how to upload a video, and how much money that you can make per view. So Dailymotion is another video platform like YouTube, but it's a small and it's getting around 250 million monthly visitors every single month. And you can say this is a Dailymotion website that you have to go to this page and click sign up button to sign up and create a free account with them. You don't have to qualify for anything, just put your email address and password and date of birth and the gender. That's it. You get email and you have to confirm that email in order to get into account. Once you sign in your account, this is a daily setting. If you click, this is the partner HQ. This won't be available if you create in a basic account with Dailymotion, but you can still upload video with this basic account, but you can't make any money from it. So in order to qualify for that, in order to make money, you need to create a partner account with them. So you have to go down to the bottom of the Dailymotion website after you sign in with a free account, or you created a free account. Go to the bottom of the page and click this one called become a partner. After you click that, it will take to the partner page where you can create. You don't have to create an account because you already create a basic account with it. Will automatically switch to a partner network. So you're going to see like this one, and if you click this one again, you see the partner HK here. If not available, you need to confirm term and condition and everything. After that, you will take to your partner dashboard. It's going to look like this one. This is your dashboard. It's similar to your YouTube dashboard at the back end of the YouTube, or this is the back end of the Dailymotion partner network. On here, this is the first thing you're going to see. There you're going to fill all the information that needed to activate your channel. So first, what you need to do, upload a banner and avatar. The banner is 1920 times 1080. The banner is the avatar is 160 times 160. So if you have these banners and a logo in your YouTube account, you can just download it and put it back. That's it. The channel names, you can keep it simple, but if you already have a YouTube account, you can keep the same. First, check this. There's a channel names available. My case is don't put numbers or underscore or not something like that. Just put the plain name is fine. And if there's a tagline, that you can put the tagline, and the description, same thing that you put in your YouTube about section. Just copy and paste it on here. This is your custom domain. Once you set it up, you can't change it, and you can change only one time. So there's already the different version of the name is there, so you need to change it to your name. So you basically copy and paste your channel name there, so that your custom domain for that here. So you can share the link Dailymotion / that your channel name, so that people can visit your channels. And if you have a website, that you can put the link here, and if the social icon, that you can put the social pages like a Facebook page or group, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, and select the language and the country where you, so you can see this Dailymotion work worldwide, so you need to select the country where you're from, and always select the English so you can maximize the profit. And if you click the advanced section on the top of the page, where you can fill the information like a Google tracking ID to understand the Google Analytics results or something like that. You can add subdomain if you want, but you don't have to do any of those things. You can leave that. And if you click earning section, it will show this one here. And because I set it up a PayPal account, that's why it's showing this one. But if for the new account, it show PayPal and bank transfer. My recommendation is select the PayPal, the safe and secure. So if you click this payment option, it will show the connected account, the PayPal account, but I don't want to show that. But easily, it's going to take 1 minute to connect your PayPal account with them. So that's it. So you done the this channel section where you edit and finish your channel's details, and earning section where you prefer the payment method. These are the things you have to do in the first. After that, uploading media here. So you need to select upload section here to upload a video. So click this one and drag and drop the file if you want, because I already downloaded one video for this video, so I want to upload that here. So you select the video file and click upload. It will upload automatically. What you have to do, go to YouTube, and if we have that video already on YouTube, is make it every step is easier. Just copy and paste, guys. So all you have to do, just copy the title of the video, go to Dailymotion and paste it. It's already there, and copy the description of the video and paste it on here. After that, what you do, go to the bottom of the YouTube video and copy the tags from that. These are the tags, and so what you do, copy that and go to here and paste it on here. Okay, you can select up to 50 tags for that. and you have to select this is age restricted video or not, otherwise leave that normal, and select the language, select the category. I will show the way you can create a categories, no, the playlist category. You have to select which type of video is it, because it's the like an education video. And the playlist, you need to select that because this is about motivation, so I had to create a playlist. I will show you in a minute, guys. Make this video public, and if you click advanced section, you can see that you can do geo blocking. You can select the specific country to watch the video. If you click this video available worldwide, right, then there's a selection. You can select monetize the video or not, and this is the link that you can embed it in your website to drive external traffic. Is that right? After that is what you do, click publish, and it's done. Now what you have to do is click this one called media, right, and it will take you to the page where all the video that available here, that you can see these are the video I uploaded in the past. And if you click to the top of this, next to the video is called playlist, where you can create any playlist. If you click this one and type motivation and click next and click create, and because you have to add the video manually, otherwise it will add all the video onto the specific playlist, so you need to select manual to upload each video into that playlist. After that, click video, and what you do, click this 3 dot and click edit button here, and what you have to do now, go to the bottom and add a playlist and select motivation. It will take a little bit time to appear. If not, don't worry, that you can see here, you can search it there and add the motivation playlist. And what you do now, you can for the thumbnail, you need to select the thumbnail from here. So what you do, click play the video and pause the video and click use the frame. So you're going to use this frame as your thumbnail. I don't think so that you can upload a custom thumbnail here, but at the moment you can select any frame from your video to upload it here. Sometime these description tags won't be appear after the processing, so if not, don't worry, just copy and paste it again. So copy the tags from that, paste it on here, right? So like I said, if the tags and title is not description not appear in the media section, go back and upload it again. There's some error there, but it will normally it won't cause any problem. But if not available, then you can go back and upload the description and the tags and click publish, and your video is published there. So if you click the media again, that you can see that your video is published. There's 0 views. It will take a couple of days to get the views. And if you click the analytics section, it will do the 7-day how many views already you get and how much minutes is watched, the view through rate, or in YouTube is a click through rate. Here is a view through rate and the estimated earning for that views. And you can select the days, number of days for the analytics. Again, how much money that you can make on Dailymotion is not clear, but on a Quora or any other forum, people write that you can make up to $5 for 1,000 views. Now if you are uploading video like this one, like a fun fact videos, if you upload these videos on YouTube, you normally get between $2 to $3 per 1,000 views, but on Dailymotion you're gonna get $5 for 1,000 views, which is good. Like I said before, the earning is depend on the number of views on Dailymotion rather than the subscribers and watch time. Okay, so number of views is indicate the number of how much money that you can earn, because if the longer video they put advertisement the starting, end and the middle. If the short video like a 1-minute video, they put the advertisement in front of the videos before the video begins. So either way you can make money, but there's earning of how much money that you can earn is directly correlated with how much view you are getting for videos. Like I said, upload more videos, upload a searchable fun videos here, not a cat video, something like this, some education video. Go to Dailymotion and find out which type of videos are getting more views and make that similar videos and upload it there. And if the videos start to get more views, that you can make a passive income from it, guys. I hope you guys understand the tutorials, and if you want to make videos on different topics, leave me the comment. And if you want to win a £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, like and share and press the bell icon.